So today, our mission is exploring how IT and HR support tasks are being, entirely automated without writing a single line of code.
Yeah, it's a pretty massive shift.
Definitely. And to figure this out, we are pulling from a page on the AI Agents Store.ai website, which, we check all the time, and we're zeroing in on a tool called Workativ AI Agents.
Right, so Workativ is basically a closed-source, no-code workflow automation agent. It targets those super repetitive employee support requests.
Like password resets and stuff like that.
Exactly. Password resets, hardware requests, the things that usually just consume half the day for IT and HR teams.
Well, knowing it handles support requests instantly makes me a little skeptical, honestly.
Oh, I'm sure.
Because we've all been trapped in that loop with a corporate bot that acts like a frustrating mole directory. It's like,
Yeah.
You are here, good luck finding the shoes.
Yeah, the classic dead-end chatbot.
Right. So I have to push back a bit here. Is this just another overgrown FAQ bot handing out links, or does it actually do the work?
It actually does the work. And the difference comes down to, well, agentic autonomy.
Okay, what does that actually mean in this context?
So an FAQ bot just parses text to find a matching article, right?
Yeah.
An agentic system, however, has the authority to execute actions.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it doesn't just point to the map. It walks into the store, buys the shoes, and hands them to you.
Okay, that clarifies the mechanism. And I guess that brings up a specific metric on the AI Agent Store page. It mentioned an 81% autonomy level.
Right.
What exactly is that measuring?
So that means 81% of all incoming employee support requests are resolved start to finish without a human ever stepping in.
Wait, really? Over 80%?
Yeah, it's wild. That is an exceptionally high deflection rate for an industry where, 30 to 40% is usually considered a massive win.
Resolving 4 out of 5 tickets automatically sounds like the kind of enterprise automation that usually requires a massive budget, though.
You would think so, but that brings us to the accessibility side of things. Workativ actually operates on a freemium model.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, there is a free tier to start, and the paid plans scale from a $99 starter plan up to a $349 business plan.
And that covers up to 500 sessions, right?
Exactly. So if you are an IT manager staring down a backlog of tickets or, an employee who just wants immediate access to software, this changes the math entirely.
It really does. You are getting top-tier autonomous help for less than the cost of a daily office coffee budget.
Right. It democratizes efficiency that was previously locked behind massive corporate budgets. The landscape is shifting fast when no-code tools can execute complex workflows on day one.
Which leaves us with a pretty heavy question to ponder for the future.
Yeah, go for it.
If a no-code agent can autonomously execute end-to-end onboarding and hardware requests right now, how will this completely reshape the day-to-day reality and, frankly, the necessity of entry-level HR and IT roles in the very near future?
It is definitely a huge question.
It is. But we're going to wrap this conversation up here. If you want to explore this cool yourself, head over to AIAgentStore.ai. Thank you so much for rating the podcast. Catch you next time.